Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Elantra. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Start your day in smart style in this feature-packed Elantra. You'll love its ergonomic controls, standard rear-view camera, refined ride, modern looks, and confidence-inspiring safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Innovation meets refinement in this modern, energetic Elantra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.